Got a couple vintage Lennox central air
They're older
conditioners.
than I thought. 70s. Where's the serial number at?
It would be right there, but not sure if it's readable at this point.
Unit number is 13. Has it been running? Can't tell. There's another one right here.
I'd love to get a video of one of those starting up, but I don't think they've been running. Armstrong. Yeah, there's another old one over there. This is from 2012. 13 SEER 5-ton, and it's a Lennox. It's one of those weird Lennoxes that look like an Armstrong here, with a Copeland scroll compressor. I have no idea what kind of compressor those would have. Maybe Tecumseh? No idea what they did back in the 70s.
Only HS18.
Copeland scroll in it. (2005), 2.5 ton. This one's from 1990. So if those over there are from the 70s, this one might not even be original because it's 1990. It could have replaced.
Hello, gentlemen.
Yeah.
Hey.
What's good?
How's it going?
This one is 2019. That's 4-ton.
19, you said?
This one's 19. That one's 2005, and this one's 1990. This one has a Tecumseh in it.
It does?
I believe so.
Probably a Copeland.
Could be.
Alright.
Yeah, they're all straight cool. That'll be it.